subscribe y muchas más bien.
What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you guys how to restore faded plastics using simple items which you can find for cheap. Guys, please show some support, like, and subscribe. Now let me show you guys the faded plastics. As you can see, the plastic has lost its color due to the sun degrading the plastic. This doesn't look nice. Also, as you guys can see the color difference of how the plastic should look like. So without further ado, let's get started. First off, I'm going to open up all the plastic trim we are going to restore.
A few minutes later.
I opened up all the pieces we're going to restore. Now let's just clean it all up. Here's the before. As you can see, it's really bad. So let's start the process. First of all, we have to use the heat gun to just get the plastic back to life. The heat gun is going to do something like this to the plastic. I'm not going to bore you guys, so we'll see you guys after I do this.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
After heating up the plastic, just take a can of clear coat and shake it well. Then spray the clear coat on the plastic and watch the magic happen. Also, it's up to you how much shine you want. Again, let me show you on this black faded plastic. It looks really bad right now. Let's spray the clear coat on and just see the black color back to life.
One debt to society later.
So here's the SUZUKI all assembled and the plastic trim restored. It turned out really well. I mean, it's not perfect, but for the price, it's a win-win situation. I would definitely recommend trying out if you have faded trim. The SUZUKI now looks better with those shiny trim. This would last a long time as the clear coat will help protect the plastic from the sun. So guys, please show some support, like and subscribe to see some awesome content. Peace.